So with this video we'll start solving questions on percentage. Let us get started with the first question. The ratio 5:4 expressed as percent equals to. So we have 5:4. So 5:4 is represented as 5/4. And to express it in percent we'll have to multiply it by 100. So this is equals to 4 times 25 is 100 and 25 times 5 is 125. So 125 is the right answer. Let's move on to the second question. 3.5 can be expressed in terms of percentage as. So again we have the number, just multiply it by 100, get the percentage. So 3.5 times 100, and that will be equal to, we'll shift the decimal points 2 places to the right because we have multiplied this by 100. So 1 and 2. So we have 350%. Easy questions, right? Let's jump on to the next. Half of 1% written as decimal is. So 1% can be written as 1 by 100, and we have to take the half of it. So times 1 by 2, and that will give us the decimal equivalent of this. So this is equal to 1 by 100 times 2, or basically we can write this as 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5. So this is equals to 1 by 100 times 0.5. So this is equal to 0.5 by 100, and we will have to shift the decimal 2 places to the left. So 1 and 2. So this will give us 0.005. So the correct answer is option A. What is 15% of 34 rupees? So we have 15% of 34. So we can write it as 15% of 34. And how do you solve this? Well, 15% can be represented as 15 by 100, and of is basically multiplication 34. So 15 by 100 times 34. So if you have anything like percentage of something, so this is basically to represent the percentage as decimal fraction and times that number. Now we can cancel out terms here. 2 times 17 is 34 and 2 times 50 is 100. Now 5 times 10 is 50 and 5 times 3 is 15. So 3 times 17 by 10. Let's write it. 3 times 17 by 10. 17 times 3 gives you 51. 51 upon 10, and that is equals to 5.1. So rupees 5.10 is the correct answer. So this one's the next question that we have. What could be the answer? Well, you have 88% of 370, so it is equivalent to 88 upon 100 times 370, plus you have 24% of 210, so it is equivalent to 24 upon 100 times 210, minus of x is equals to 118, so 118. So we can solve this. 0 and 0 gets cancelled out. Here also 0 and 0 gets cancelled out. Now we have 88 times 37, and that is equivalent to 3256. So we have 3256 divided by 10 plus 24 times 21 is equal to 504. So 504 by 10 minus x is equals to 118. So this is 325.6 plus 50.4 minus 118 is equals to x, moving the x to the right hand side. So 325.6 plus 50.4 is equal to 376 minus 118 is equals to x, and 376 minus 118 will give you 258. So the correct answer is option B. Finally, the last question. 0.01 is what percent of 0.1? Well, let us rewrite this question. 0.01 is what percent of 0.1. And let us consider this question mark as x. So I can write 0.01 is equal to what percent of 0.1? So x percent of 0.1, and that can be rewritten as 0.01 is equals to x upon 100. X percent is x upon 100 times 0.1, and that is 0.01 times 100 is equals to 0.1x, and 0.01 times 100 is 1 is equals to x times 0.1, and 0.1 can be rewritten as 1 by 10. So this 10 goes here, so x is equals to 10. So we have the answer 10, option C.